Okay, ceiling fan off. Somebody said because the ceiling fan was on is why you little orbs were flying around. So there's the ceiling fan off. My computer is off. So show me yourself, orbs. There you go. They are all over the place. Oh, wow. Orbs are all over. Back up against my amp again. How about my picture? You want to like my picture again? Oh, yeah, I see ya. Any orbs are on my amp? Oh, I saw ya. Show yourself, guys. You're famous. Show yourself, orbs. Oh, man. Show yourself, orbs. Fly around for me. Hey, get close to this. Come here, get close. I want to see big orbs. Get close to me, orbs. Oh, yeah, there you go. Get close to me. I want to see it bigger. Fly right in front of this device. Any orbs over here? Show yourself. Ooh, I saw that. Oh, yeah. Okay, ceiling fan off, no lights on, my computer off. I still have orbs all over the place. This shot with a Samsung Galaxy 3. Come on, orbs. Show me a big one. Come in front of me. Come on, orbs, right here, right in front of me. Come on, orbs, fly around for me. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's orbs for you.